So everyone had the setting of approaching the 7 to a 6 progression on the key of A flat. Alright, so let's take a song. You agree, you the miracle, so great, right? There is no one else like you. Okay. So that's the basic way of approaching the 736. So on this video, we're going to learn how to approach the 736 like a pro. Yeah, but I just need 5 seconds of your time. Okay, so it takes 5 seconds for you to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell for more piano tutorials like this. All right, so let's go. So on the key of A flat, we have A flat as your 1, then we have B flat as your 2, then we have C as your 3, then we have C sharp as your 4, we have E flat or D sharp as your 5, then we have F as your 6, then we have G as your 7, then we have, A flat. Alright, so it goes like this. For you, Greeks, Elko, so great, right? So there is no one else like you, right? So maybe slide. Alright, so it sounds very dope. Alright, so let's actually break that down. So on the key of A flat, for you we're great. So instead of playing your regular 7, you can just substitute it with this guy. So I guess the notes are shown on the screen. Alright, so this is your G7 with the sharp level. Okay, that is for your, instead of playing this, play this. Then for your 3, instead of playing this, you play this. Okay, so this is your regular F sharp 7, dominant 7. So we have there, this is your 6. All right, so altogether we have, for you're great, you're the miracle, so great, wow. Then we have for your 5. All right, so this is your E flat minus 7. So then the next chord we have, so this is your D9 with the sharp 11. So if you can stretch, eventually, okay, then we'll go to your 4. Okay, then, and this is your F sharp major 9. So that, so I'll play that part again.